Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a grilled peanut butter and jelly. So right now, I'm heating up my pan to around medium, and then once it's heated up, I'm going to put some butter in the pan. While the pan is heating up, I'm just going to prepare a normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know about you, but I like to do a little bit of peanut butter and a lot of jelly. The pan is heated, so I put some butter in and spread it around. And now I'm going to transfer my sandwich into the pan. Now I'm going to cook the sandwich until the bottom is nice and crispy. My sandwich is nice and crispy on the bottom. I know because I checked. I also know that it's ready because the jelly has started to melt and drip off and then sizzle. Flip my sandwich, and now I'm going to cook it till the bottom is crispy. Now the sandwich is sizzling again, so I'm going to transfer it back to the plate. And we're done. I really recommend you try it since it always turns out super good for me.